Hello, everybody, and welcome to this episode of Ignacio and me. Dun, 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 dun. So we're gonna start off. Okay, I am Ignacio, and this is kinda tough, cause today we're gonna do stuff that no one's ever seen before. Yeah. Sewers. Yeah. Yeah. Give me a closer look down there. Oh. Oh. That is what sewer life is like. But in human life, you have to find your own food to have your own survival. Okay. Okay. That's hushbur bark. One of the second toughest. Oh. Yep. That's right, folks. And Ignacio just farted. Okay. No. Okay. Okay. Grab wet wood. And get some tree bark. Okay, hold on. Okay, folks. I'm supposed to make my mark on this tree bark. If I don't, then it doesn't show respect to who belongs to this land. No, I don't. That bitch, shut up. You see? It's kind of tough. Clean the shavings. Now, rub it on some bark here. Rub it right here. Oh wait. Getting a mark. Getting a mark. Getting a mark. Getting a mark. Oh. There we go. Ah. Dang. It's those. Ah. So that's how they want to do it. See, there's my mark. There's the mark. Now you must stomp on it. Oh. Duh. Okay. This is my survival one. So I used to survive. Okay, I learned this on a TV show today. Did you see the show where a guy, he actually peed in a snake? Well, I was gone at that time. But, okay. When you make one landmark, if you make a landmark, that makes it your territory. Now just banging on this box. See those marks? This is the mark of the demon. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have to hold this. Okay, I was trying to make a fire. Peach mix. careful of those things. Those things can stick to you very fast. Ah! Getting attacked here. Okay. Ugh. Okay. You're gonna have to help me get through this. Ugh. Oh! Hit me in the head. Okay. Gonna have to make a new mark. Gotta show ownership on this one. There we go. Ah, something's itching my back. Okay. Folks. Look at spider webs. I just had a drink. Okay, people, I'm tired. I'm gonna sit here for a little bit. Okay. Yeah. See, the ground is moist, which means it's great for eating. To watch. That was good. Stupid mosquito. Okay. Okay, let's continue on. Okay, as you see, I'm balancing on top of this giant rock here. See that? In the shadow. Ah! Trying to make marks everywhere so people will know I've been here. Okay, people. Ah! 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 Okay, people. As I said. Ah! Okay, people. See, there's a fence. Okay, so you can hear can't sound from both areas. Okay. Let's stay here for the rest of the night. Okay. I'll be right back.